So we're doing something that we haven't done in about 2 months or so. We are bringing the ST out to play. This fool trips.
No way.
How you trip?
I don't know.
So literally haven't seen this car in 2 months, and I'm not even kidding. Since the last time I filmed this car, was the last time I drove it. It's been sitting and there's literally no dust on it. Look. That's freaking crazy. It actually blows my mind. But she I know, right? She looks good though. Nice little clean, wet.
I mean, this is like barely any on the splitter.
Well, yeah, you know how black is. Black don't know how to act when, you know. Hey, yo, what's this? Okay, wipe off. I thought it was a scratch. Take it up to the front office. You know what I mean? But yeah, the batteries were surely dead though. Yeah, see? Which is understandable, right? Cars considering. Alright, man. Let's get this build started.
I don't know why you said build.
Dang, got a light on it too? You're definitely not getting this way. You got this from Walmart, huh?
Costco. That's an expensive brand. Yeah, that's mine. Get your own.
Hey, man. Late birthday present. Just kidding, you already got me one.
Damn, bro, I got you a
The sweater. I love that sweater.
Essentials crew neck.
I love that sweater.
I'm a good friend.
Shout out, Jose.
Oh, you pressed the override button?
Oh, I didn't know there was override button. Don't blow me up now, man.
No, that's how you do it.
2 months out.
I go.
Dead. The light's not even coming on.
No way, bro.
Well, here, let's do this. That's how you know it's, no, it's not even on, sir. I see no spark. I know you gave me you bought a dead,
Oh, it's fully charged.
Let me find out, Jose.
Do it, hurry. Hurry.
New whip, who this?
Who Vans, bro? Fool never drives his car, bro. This thing loud. I ain't gonna lie though, it sound good.
Yeah, it's definitely nice to be back in this car, man. It's one of those things where it's like, you know how like you don't drive a car for a while, so like you like kind of emotionally detached from it.
Yeah. Because I mean, you just been enjoying the Z lately.
Yeah, so it's like, damn, like, you know, I just let the ST sit, and it's like, you know, I kind of like, I'm not gonna lie, like I got like detached from it. Like sitting in it now though, like this is the OG, bro.
Yeah, and I feel like living in SoCal too, like there's more Z's, you know what I mean, like more stuff of that nature. So it's just it's naturally easier to drive that car.
Yeah. And it's a coupe. I tell people all the time, coupes are a different vibe.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? It's just a coupe. It's like, I don't know, the sound system's way better in the Z.
Yeah.
If you guys have a ST, you know what I'm talking about. The sound system in this is just not that great.
Yeah.
But you know, like I said, it's nice to be back in this car, bro. This is the real OG right here.
Yeah.
I missed it, not gonna lie.
I'm happy you're taking it out, bro.
Yeah.
I actually am. It'll be a good little weekend for sure.
Yeah.
It'll be nice.
Alright, guess let it warm up, huh? And here it comes. I have missed this car. Yo, it's been a minute. It's been about 2 months. Like I previously stated. It feels good to be back in this car. And it's only right. Jose is in SoCal, so it's only right that we cruise together. I love this car, but the pop's gotta go. It's crazy how you kind of just, I guess, graduate. I'm not gonna say grow up because the pops are cool, don't get me wrong, but like after driving a Z and like how low-key that car can be when I want it to be, this car with the pops is just too much. Like, I constantly have my head on a swivel. So with that being said, I think I'm just gonna take the pops off for now because they are loud, guys. Like, listen to this. Make sure ain't no cops. Like, let's be real, that's loud. That's really loud. So I'm gonna have to take those off, bro. That's like the definition of not being low-key. I guess since it's been so long since I've driven this car, I had a chance to actually, I don't know, like detach myself from it. So getting back into it, like driving it, like every little thing kind of like gets pointed out to me. Cause like, see, it's crazy because of how modified that car is. It drives so amazing, other than the clutch being aggressive, but you know, that is what it is. And we are back at home. See, I wanted to take this car out because I wanted to kind of stretch its legs since it's been so long. But now that it's dark, we're gonna have to pick this up in the morning. Yes, sir. Just as I said, we are taking off those pops. Like I said, I'm pretty sure I'll turn them on one day again. But right now, they're just a little bit too much. And we are hopping right back into this video. So we are headed down to San Bernardino because we're going to a clean culture meet. I'm picking up Jew. He's gonna be riding with me. It is literally gonna be over 100 degrees over there. And like I tell you guys all the time, the sun out here in SoCal hits different, at least from where I'm from. It hits totally different. Like 70 degrees out here is like where I'm from, it's like 80 degrees. So it's very, it just hits different. So I was actually supposed to wash this car, but I got lazy. I didn't feel like washing it anywhere because it kind of takes a while to wash this car because you have the aero kit, like the side skirts, you have the front splitter. Those take a minute because it's basically a plate, so water holds right here. And then you have the wheels, since they're what would you call these, polished? I wouldn't say chrome, but they're like polished. It just, I don't know, it just takes a minute to wash this car, so I kind of backed out on doing it. But the fact that this car sat for 2 months and it still looks this clean, meaning like it's not like extremely dirty, it's pretty impressive. Minus this wheel right here. Yeah, I mean, there's some stuff going on with that, but we can always take care of that later, you know. But this car looks clean. Man, it's been a minute, but she is definitely photogenic though. I know you guys miss this car because I get asked about it frequently. So let me know in the comments, what type of content do you want to see with this car? Because mod wise, I'm not gonna say I'm done, but like for now I am. I'm pretty content with how it looks. So let me know in the comments, what type of content do you guys want to see with this car?
What the hell? He was late for that. He was late for that.
Man, why you took so long? I'm over here around the corner trying to pick those things forever, man. I don't know how you didn't see me because I peeked right when he was closing the garage. Yo, it is so hot out there, yo.
I was like, oh.
Oh my god, bro, it's so hot out there. This fool took forever.
This fool is tweaking.
I almost gave up on the whole idea.
Relax. Damn. You know it's 90-something degrees out there?
Yeah, you checked the weather?
No, I saw somebody posted it on their story and it said 96 or something.
The keys in here? Yeah, it's gonna be 100 degrees today.
Oh yeah.
And then
easily.
It's still gonna be 90 plus degrees. Yeah. At it. So. And we made it out here to the Clean Culture show. It is actually hilarious because I did not expect to park right here. Like, I'd have been perfectly fine just parking in the parking lot, but I got let in by this guy right here because, you know, I got the connections inside.
Get out of here, bro. I'm gonna kick your car out.
And literally ended up parking like center front because like that's where they come in right there. I don't know where you said the main show's over there, huh?
Drifter van, we got
over there.
vendors and stuff.
Vendors,
got some crazy builds over there.
It's 102. Forgot to mention that.
Out here too.
It is dumb hot out here, but hey, man, can't complain though. Nice parking. I get to leave whenever I want. So.
I don't know where you're leaving through. It's blocked off.
Oh, you're probably right. Yeah. All right, so I'm about to hurry up because you're obviously playing music. Yo, look at this Rolls right here, guys. This will stand out of Rolls Royce. That is crazy. Look at that. That's absolutely crazy. But moving on. So just to kind of show you guys a little bit of the lineup over here. There's so many cars. We got cars over there. They're doing drifting over there. You can kind of hear it a little bit. But man. We got cars everywhere. I actually really like the color of this. I would definitely wrap my car this color. You guys know me, I like different stuff. And yeah, just, you know, they go all the way down there. We got NSX, we have Huracan, we have another Huracan. This color is crazy. Yo. Look at that. That's kind of cool. That's different. With NSX though, look at that. I got the, what would you even call that? That's not even a roof scoop. Would you call that a roof scoop?
It is. I think it's functional. I mean, look.
Oh yeah, it's definitely functional. So? It's not on the roof though, so it can't be a roof scoop.
It's a glass scoop.
Rear glass scoop. Yeah. That's crazy though. It's clean.
Supercharged.
Is it? Supercharged. Well, that makes sense. Yeah. But it's freaking hot out here, yo. It's not even funny.
It's way too hot.
Yeah.
It's to the point to where like once we walk once, like I'm done.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, I want to go up there and watch the drift cars, but bro,
yeah,
it's just,
you know it's gonna be stupid hot up there.
I was looking up there, I was like,
yeah.
My small like,
I just want to say that there is a lot of quality cars out here. Like it's to the point where I kind of don't know what to look at. Right? We have a nice, you know, CTS-V V3 over here. I'm gonna be honest. Oh, this is a Porsche. I was gonna say I don't know what this is. Yeah, no, this is a Porsche. I think right. Yeah, this is a Porsche. We got a freaking GTR on the trailer. We got a Huracan right there sitting there looking nice. We got a bunch of Z's over there. I don't even know what color that STI over there is, or WRX, whatever that is. There's a good amount of quality cars here. You got FG over there, you got Super over there. Oh, that is so sick. I kind of want to build one now.
Alright, well, if you want to go broke again.
This was right, bro. Every time I see drifting, it always makes me want to build one. Yo, that is so sick. You know who I know for sure wouldn't know how to drift?
You wouldn't know?
No. What? This, you would definitely hit cones. I know you would. 100%.
Hit cones.
100%, bro. You hit the wall. And spin out too.
Oh, the wonder car doing. Like,
you guys know. Just look at Jose, bro. Does it look like you know how to drift, or would even know how to?
With the body of a drifter.
Hell no. It's cool, bro. This be you with your side skirt hanging out like that.
Hey,
come
Robert.
back. I don't know what happened.
Hey, Robert, wait up.
Yeah. Update. It is only 5 o'clock. It started an hour ago and we're already over it. It is extremely hot out here. Right now it's probably about like 87 degrees. And again, we're over it because it is extremely hot.
I'm ready to go, man.
We can't even leave, bro. We're kind of locked in.
We can.
You think so?
If we want to, we could.
This fool.
Let's try it.
Proof of point, huh?
Hey, yo.
This thing is so hard though, bro. This is what happens when your $100 bills print different. Look at this. Fool just casually flexing a gold wheel in the back. It's so sick, bro. Oh my gosh. Definitely something that I would do. Different.
Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic got to say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all cap like.